First, did you know that there are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way? There are about 3 trillion trees here, but only about 100 to 400 billion stars in our galaxy. Second, clear water isn't actually colorless. When you look at a large body of clean water, it's not clear, it's actually a very pale blue. It appears this way because the molecules prefer to absorb red light and reflect blue.
And finally, time isn't the same everywhere in the universe.
Albert Einstein proved that gravity actually slows down time itself. So, if you live at a higher altitude, like on a mountain, you technically age slightly faster than someone living at sea level. Which of these facts broke your brain the most? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe.